I'm so glad you are here because I need your help deciding on which one of these items needs to go and which one should stay, because I am torn between the two, and that's where you come in to help me. All right, so if you want to see this unboxing so you can help me decide which one to keep, then definitely stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to my channel, Simply Fabulous, where I like to talk about luxury goods, items, a little bit of lifestyle, and I try to sprinkle in a bit of tips or advice that I've learned to share with you. Okay, so I need your help today on something real quick. But before we get into that, I just need to ask you just one quick small favor, especially if you haven't done it yet. That is to go ahead and like this video. Yes, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to this channel, and then hit the notification bell so you can stay informed when I drop a video, because I drop a video every week. All right, now that you've done that, let's get into this dilemma that I'm having. All right, I ordered 2 items thinking that once I purchased it and like maybe took it home and really thought about it, I can make a more clear decision. But yeah, that is not the case. Like, leave it up to me, I will keep both, and that is not the goal here. I don't need to keep the same item just twice. I don't need to have both of them. I just need to keep one. So I'm asking you for your help. I need your help. Help me decide on which one should stay or which one should go, because I don't know. And yeah, all right, so let me unbox this real quick so you can see what I'm talking about, and then you can possibly like let me know. All right, so let's open up this one. All right, as you can see, it is from Dior. Yeah, I love me some Dior. Okay, let me get this. Actually, let me open up the other box so I can kind of like show them to you at the same time. All right, let me unwrap this one too. Alrighty, alrighty. And take off the box. So let me open this. It is a small leather good. So that's like the hint so far, but you're gonna see what I have. You don't have to guess. I'm gonna show it to you, just unboxing it for now, one at a time. And then this one, again, another small leather good. All right. I need you to help me decide. I definitely want to keep one of them. I just don't know which one I want to keep. So here is, let's just say bag A or bag number 1. And this is their heart like coin purse or heart pouch. It's like with the heart stitching or heart canard stitching. It's by the Caro line, like the Dior Caro line. I think I'm saying that right, Caro, C-A-R-O. But yeah, it's part of like that collection. Like the name is on here somewhere. But yeah, so I have this bag, a little small leather good, and the back, it has where you can add the straps. So you have D-rings right there for the straps, and then it has a zipper pull, because again, it is like a little pouch in there. doesn't hold much. It really just holds like cards and stuff. Small perfume spray or fragrance will fit in here. I think even a lip gloss will fit in here, like a cards and a lip gloss, or cards, lip gloss, and maybe like a perfume sample will fit in here. I did try it out to see what actually fits inside. If you want to know what fits inside, let me know. I can do like just a quick short video of like what fits in this little heart coin pouch, small leather good. Okay, so here's number one. Okay, this is in the latte color with the gold hardware. And this will be bag B, or bag number 2. Again, it's the same small leather good with the heart canage stitching, part of the Caro line from Dior, and it is another heart-shaped pouch that, again, the small leather good. It holds like just a few cards, maybe like a small compact lip gloss, and maybe a perfume sample would fit in here. Really not a lot. Really, like if you're going to a concert, this is great. You know how you can just bring your ID and then a form of payment, because they don't even take cash when you go to like those big stadiums or venues or concerts. Like they want you to have a small bag or a clear bag, and then like they're cashless. So you can't even bring cash. You need to bring a card. So there you go. And then your ID in case like you have to pick up your ticket at will call, or maybe your phone dies and you need to go to will call to like get your ticket. Like that's just a tip. If your phone dies, have like a little digital ticket or electronic ticket, just go to will call. They should be able to pull up your ticket with like the form of payment you made and an ID. Because that's happened to me where I've gotten to the concert, my battery died on my phone. I don't know why I didn't charge it all day, but yeah, I went to will call and they helped me out. And yeah, they just printed the ticket out and I was able to go into the venue. But yeah, so this is like perfect for a concert. It doesn't hold a lot, all right, and doesn't hold your phone, but sometimes at the concert you're like, you know, taking a little video so you can just capture the memory of the event or what have you, taking pictures, selfies. Yeah, so you're really not needing to put your phone away. But yeah, I love these small leather goods. Okay, so again, this is in the red color, and it has the D-rings in the back here because it comes with straps, so you can like make it a crossbody small leather good bag. You can do it on your shoulder if you want, or you can wear it around your waist. So you can do that. You kind of wear it 3 ways. Or you can just kind of hold it like a little clutch because it's really tiny. So, yeah, so you can hold it like that. Now, I'm trying to figure out which one I should keep and which one should go. I can't decide. That's why I need your help. That's why I'm doing this video, because I'm thinking that hopefully you can help me. So I need you to leave a comment below. Let me know, should I keep bag A, bag number 1, or bag B, bag number 2? Which one is your favorite? Now, I thought, okay, well, what about the colors? Maybe if I just deduce by what color I don't have in my collection will be the bag that I'll keep. Like if I don't have a white bag or a red bag or something like that, then I'll just keep the red small leather good or the white small leather good. But that doesn't work because I do have a bag that's in red, and of course I have a bag, I think 2 bags in like this latte color. So I have them in these exact same colors. So, but I really love the heart-shaped pouch, and I missed out on this collection around Valentine's Day, because when they do it normally. So I missed out on this collection like twice, maybe 3 times. On Valentine's Day earlier this year, Valentine's Day last year, and then when they released the Dioramour collection back in like the fall of 2022 or 2021. I missed this small leather good collection 3 times. Now the one that came out in 2022 with the Dioramour collection they had, the straps were different because the straps looked kind of the same, but it had Some of it had like red finish or like red colored hardware mixed with gold. So I'll show you. If I can find a picture, I'll put it on the screen so you can see what the straps look like. So the straps for this look very similar. It's just it doesn't have that red painting or red coating on some of the strap. Like it has none on the strap for this one. But yeah, okay. Let me show you. And then, if you don't know, but I feel like if we're family already and you've seen a few videos, you know my favorite shapes are stars and hearts. So like a heart pouch with heart stitching from one of my favorite brands. It's a no-brainer, but I just can't keep both. I need to take one back. I just don't know which one to take back. I haven't used it. You saw I just unboxed it, have not worn it. It still has, you know, the wrapping on it, tags on it, and you'll see it has the strap in here. That's the price tag trying to come out. So I'll show you what the strap looks like for this one and why this one is different than the one that came out in 2022. So yeah, the strap is just gold. And now it's not champagne gold like the Lady Dior, but because this is part of the Caro line, Caro. I feel like I'm saying it wrong, like I'm saying Carol with an L, but it's Caro, the C-A-R-O. Excuse me, just because I feel like I'm not saying that correctly, so just forgive me. In the 2022 collection, the bags were very similar to this from what I know. I only saw pictures of it. I didn't get to see it in store because it was sold out when I asked for it. But like some of this hardware was like painted or coated in like red paint, shellac, something. So it gave like a gold, red, gold, red, gold. And I really thought that was really cute. So again, if I find a picture, it will already be on the screen or I answered it now. But that's the only thing. And the shoulder strap is not that long. It really just like, when I put it on, especially if I'm wearing it like a shoulder, not shoulder, like a crossbody bag, it really like sits up here. Let me attach it so you can see. Like it doesn't go to my hip at all. It's really like mid-chest. Like it's not like right under the boob, but it's not too far from the boobs. But okay. Lobster claw this on and then get the back one. So yeah, when I wear it crossbody, it's like literally right here. Like my hips are like right here and then it sits like right here. So it's not like really right under the boob, but it's not too far. But yeah, it sits high. And then again, gold hardware, gold details on the bag. And I know if I didn't mention already, the Lady Dior, Lady Dijoy, that line always has like champagne gold. So yes, but yeah, here is the latte color. Here is the red color. I really like the red, but I like both. So, okay, to help me, just again, please leave a comment below saying you like bag A, bag B, or bag 1, bag 2, or to make it easier, the white bag or the red bag, because that will definitely help me out because I need to make a decision and I need to make one soon. So that's why I'm coming to you, friend. I'm coming to you because I feel like I can trust your judgment. You know, I feel like you're gonna get me there to like the decision that I need to make when it comes to these two lovely, beautiful bags. That is all that I have for you today. Now I cannot wait to look at those comments to see what the consensus is. I feel like a few people are gonna, you know, lean one way, another person's gonna lean the other way. So I wanna see what color wins so I know, again, like which one needs to go and which one's gonna stay, okay? Thank you so much for supporting my channel, watching my videos all the way to the end. If you wanna see more of me, 'cause I know this one is pretty short and sweet. If you wanna see other videos, I definitely have some videos linked here on the screen, or you can just go to my channel and, you know, watch the plethora of videos that I already have so far. I have shorts, I have long form videos, like long form content. So yeah, if you just want more of your fix from me, then yeah, check me out to see more. And until the next time, I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye.